update, guys. Do you know that anyone can blow up right now on YouTube? And I'm going to be revealing the secrets to you in today's video. See, as a YouTuber, you have to always be at alert. That is, you have to make sure that you are smart in order for you to hop on any trending thing in your niche. Now, you don't have to leave your niche and go to another niche, all in the name of you want to trend. In today's video, I'm going to be revealing to you close to 5 trending videos in different niche that if you can hop on it immediately, the chances of your videos going viral is 80 to 90%. Believe me, I've seen a lot of small channel gaining over 5,000 subscribers from a single video just because they actually hop on a particular challenge. There is this my student that focuses on storytelling niche, which is the African folk tales. This my student has gained over 8,000 subscribers. That is, this single video gave him over 300k views. So this is me trying to tell you that even with your 100 subscriber, you can actually go viral, you can actually blow, and everything boils down to how smart you are. So without much being said, I'm going to be taking you through to the 5 different trending videos in different niche. So if your niche is among, pay attention now and get to work. Who knows, you might actually blow up. So the very first niche that I'm going to be talking about today is the African folktale. This is a faceless niche that tells us stories, and I believe I'm not the only one that have been coming across videos like this for over 2 weeks now. These videos has been trending, and if you are out there, you own a faceless African folktales channel, this is an opportunity for you to blow up. That is why I used to say this: any niche you are, there is a particular period and there is a particular time that a single video will be trending, and anyone that hops on this, the chances of going viral is sure. And you know one good thing about YouTube, this particular video that has been trending, I've seen close to 5 different channels using the same thumbnail, sometimes the same storyline, and this video made a lot of small content creators blow up, which I'm going to be displaying some example for you. Example 1 is, look at this channel with the small subscribers, see the amount of views this particular video gave this channel. Another example is, take a look at this channel with the subscriber count, look at the amount of views it was able to generate for this channel. So this particular trending video made a lot of small channel blow up, and I believe it's still on. So if you can actually hop on it, the chances of you going viral is 70%. And this is not just the only trending one. A particular one has started trending recently, and if you know it, go down to the comment section and tell us. But I'm going to be saying that in my next video, so watch out. What am I trying to say? You have to be smart as a YouTuber. No matter any niche you are, there are times that a particular video will be trending. So all you just need to do is to fix yourself, make yourself visible. You have to be sharp, if that is the best English. And guys, it was this same kind of video, in fact both the same title and description, that gave that my students over 300,000 views as of when last I checked, which I believe that video should be going to 400k views now for just someone that had only 400 subscribers. So I'm going to be going into the next niche, which is the entertainment niche. Apart from Donald Trump trending recently, which is, if you make any video about Donald Trump, of course you are going to trend. Just make sure that you use the right hashtags, the right keywords, the right thumbnails, because every single day people are going to the YouTube search bar to search for videos concerning Donald Trump. So if you can be able to fix yourself in that position, the chances of you going viral, the chances of your channel blowing up is 70 to 80%. So guys, you really need to be smart and get to work. Another trending video currently, that is if you are in Nigeria or some African part of the world, is Two-Face and Annie Idibia. Their videos are currently trending. So if you can actually make videos on this couple that actually separated, like this very moment, the chances of your video going viral is 70 to 80%. So you have to always make sure that you pay attention to your niche. Stop paying attention to other niche. There are things trending in your niche. There are lots of videos like that trending, which I might not be able to list all of them. So it's left for you now. Calm down, go through your niche, search for things relating to your niche, your content niche, and you will see videos that are trending. Feel free to make use of same thumbnail. These are taxes. A lot of all these big YouTubers you see, especially the YouTubers in my growth niche, they actually make use of similar thumbnails, sometimes the same title, but just make sure that you are not copying the exact thing the first person say. You can actually twist your own in another way. This is just being smart. This is smartness. And if you can start doing this particular thing in any niche you are, you're going to really make it big in this 2025, and your chances of getting monetized faster is 90%. This is for whether you have only 50 subscribers. This thing is going to work for you, believe me. So the third niche which I'm going to be talking about today is, of course, my niche, which is growth. You all know that I teach about YouTube growth and how to help you grow here on YouTube, and there are a lot of videos that is currently trending in this particular niche. Videos like turning on and off of a particular YouTube setting in order for your video to gain high visibility. Some examples are, take a look at all these small channels and see the amount of views they are able to generate from a single video. So this one, no matter any amount of subscribers you have, you are going to trend if you can actually hop on these particular video ideas, which I'm going to be listing out. With your 50 subscribers, 100 subscribers, if you can actually do it the right way, there is no harm in copying exact same title. There is no harm in copying the exact same description. There is no harm in copying the thumbnail and maybe twisting it to your own style. You have to learn to be creative. You have to learn to be smart. Copy, if that is the right English, in order for you to grow here massively. So another example is, you see videos on how to upload your video correctly to go viral on YouTube here, like how to upload shorts, how to upload long form videos the right way. These video ideas are really trending. And another evergreen video is how to get to 1,000 subscribers, how to get 4,000 watch hours. You see all these videos, they are currently trending. And if you are out there, maybe you own a YouTube growth channel and you don't even know what to make a video about, or you don't even know videos that are trending. Now, one secret is, go ahead to your YouTube studio, the desktop version. Now go to inspiration box. Under inspiration box, you are going to see videos with high requests, that is videos that are currently trending, and you will see videos that YouTube AI is going to suggest for you. Now all you just need to do is to come back to YouTube, watch those videos and recreate them if possible. Like as I said earlier on, go ahead and use the same title, use the same description. Nobody is going to hold you. YouTube will not come and file you for anything. So this is just you trying to be smart, okay? So there are lots of videos on this particular niche that are trending, that if you can hop on and do it the right way, like as I used to say, your chances of going viral is 80 to 90%. And secondly, it's not that you will do it once and say, oh, Mr. Chamaka said we should do this. You do it once and you sit down, relax, waiting for the views to come. You keep doing it. At least I believe that before you can be able to create up to like 5 videos from those videos that are trending, there's no how you're going to have 1 or 2 that is going to go viral, as long as you optimize it the right way. So the fourth niche which I'm going to be sharing with us today is faceless niche. So if you own a faceless channel, like you don't want to show your face, there is this particular video that is currently trending for like over 3 weeks now, which I believe that if you can actually make a video on these topics, your chances of going viral is also 80 to 70%. Now all you just need to do is to make a video on AI. See, even if you don't know how to do it, the internet is free. Always feel free to study, make your research, if possible practice it, make sure you master it, learn it very well, and set up your camera and teach us. Videos like how to use AI to generate images for African Folktales channel, how to use AI to generate images or turn images to video for kids animation channels. These kind of videos are going viral, and there is this particular small channel that this single video gave that channel over 20k subscriber. I single-handedly watched that video for 3 times because I wanted to create a YouTube channel based on that video. So there are lots of things trending on your niche that if you can hop on, you are going to get seen. And you know one good thing about going viral? Going viral is going to bring your channel to limelight. Going viral is going to bring this audience that we always want to come back to your channel. And don't you want that? If people keep on searching for your name, searching for things about you, so you really need to act smart. Yes, I'm going to keep on repeating this particular statement because being smart can put you on the right track of monetizing faster on YouTube here. And this is one of the biggest secrets a lot of all these big YouTubers use. So the very last niche which I'm going to be talking about today is more like the educational niche. Just go ahead, make videos on how to make money. These videos are evergreen content. See, every single day people are coming here to search for how to make money online, how to make money on YouTube. All you just need to do is, if you don't know how to do it or you don't know how to go about it at all, internet is free. Make your research, use Meta AI, ChatGPT is there. Come up with a video and make sure you optimize it correctly, which is optimizing your thumbnail, your description, your titles, using the necessary keyword, so that if somebody comes to the YouTube search bar to search for things like that, your videos can pop up. So these are the things, these are videos that I believe that if you can hop on, your chances of going viral, your chances of being seen is 80%. So guys, I think I'm going to be stopping here, and if you've been needing a part 2 on this kind of topic, kindly go down to the comment section and drop it, because I have a lot much more ideas to share with you guys, and I will only be doing that if I can see the number of people that are interested. So I'm going to be drawing the curtain today for this video, and if you've watched to this extent you've not liked, please go ahead and like this video, comment and share so that it can get to a whole lot of people. Lastly, don't forget, be smart. Yes, be ready to always work, like be ready to always put in the work. If you know how hopping on a single challenge boosted and transformed this my channel, I think I should reserve that story and that energy for the next video. So go down to the comment section and drop something, and see you in my next video. Bye.